We now have auto capitalization for every title in your comments, and it prints out that way. It's a small detail that makes your reports look professional. Let me show you how it works with your voice. So I want to add a comment here, and let's just say I choose condensate system operation noted, right? It immediately is displayed in my other devices. So I can be on a team, or I can have my laptop open up on a kitchen computer, kitchen counter. And let's say I want to edit this. Let's get rid of this title. Let me just type in a new one. I like this auto capitalization. And then you hit save, and it's auto capitalized. Okay. So look really professional, these small details. Actually, I don't want to take credit for it. It was Stephen Scott who said titles for deficiency are not auto capitalized in his software. It's a small thing, but he prefers voice to text to save time, and then he has to go back and capitalize each word. So no longer with InternetG's software. So any great ideas, we're going to put it into the software, like these small ideas that make your report really easy to use and look really professional. All right, everybody.